Welcome to a technical support video where you will learn how to capture an issue you may be facing in SOLIDWORKS. Sometimes there are issues that you come across in SOLIDWORKS that we in technical support cannot fix over the phone. In this example, the model crashes after some time running the compare command. To further analyse what is going on, we need more information. We can gather this information through a tool called SOLIDWORKS RX. An RX records the issue and behaviour of the machine whilst also including logging data and files you are using to then be packaged into a single file and sent to the SOLIDWORKS technical support team who will investigate further. To create an RX, you can use the following steps. First, search for the SOLIDWORKS RX version and run the application. Then go to the Problem Capture tab and enable Include Extended Logging Data. Next, select Record Video. After pressing Record Video, you'll be prompted if you would like to use the current SOLIDWORKS session or if you want to restart SOLIDWORKS. Note this is important and specific to the behaviour you are facing. For example, if the issue starts when loading a new session of SOLIDWORKS, then press Restart SOLIDWORKS. You will now have a pop-up showing the recording procedure. Please move this pop-up to a different screen or minimise to avoid taking up space in the graphics area. You can now press record and highlight the issue you are experiencing. Please note you may be asked for admin permissions, so you may need IT on standby to let you continue. Be slow and concise with your mouse movements to accurately record the video. Once you have finished showing the issue, press Finish on the pop-up and you will be returned back to the RX Manager. From here you can now choose to add files and browse for any other files used in the video. For example, any part of assembly files used along with templates. Once you've chosen the files you want to include, then select Add Files to Package. Finally, you can select Package Files and save the RX in a location to then share with your technical support team. The default save location is within your Documents folder under a folder called SW Log Files. If you have any other issues with the process, just let us know and we can assist.